Hello friends, today we will solve 23rd problem of our tutorial series on dynamic programming, which is jump game, and we will solve this problem in LeetCode. So let's look at the problem statement here. So we are given an integer array nums, and we are initially positioned at the array's first index. So we are currently at this position for in this example, and for example this one. And each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. Okay, so here it means that at this particular index 2 is given, so it means that we can make a jump of 1 or 2 length. So again, let me just go through the example first. So for example, here if I am at the first index at 2, it means that I can make a jump of 1, or I can make a jump of 2, right? So we can either move from here to the index which is having 3, or I can make a jump of 2 and move to the index containing 1 as an element. Once we move it here, so either I can choose 1 or 3. Suppose I have chosen 3 here. So once I am at 3, I'm in the index 2, having the element as 3. It means that at 3 also I can make a jump of 1, 2, or 3. So for example, at 3 I can make a jump of 1, and I can just let me make a change here and make it a little smaller. So here, if I make a jump of 1, so I move from 3 to 1. So if I choose only like one jump, if I choose 2, I can jump from here to here. And if I choose 3, we can have a jump of 3 from this index, right? So here, if I choose 3, I can move to 4. So here, this is a problem statement about, and we have to return true or false, which means that indicating all these jump indices here by any combination, whether we can move to the last index here at index 4, the last index here. So the answer for this is given as true, which means that jump one step from index 0 to 1. So we move from here to here, because here for the first index says that I can jump from 1 or 2. So I just to jump 1 and move to index 3 to index 1, sorry. And from here I can then 3 steps to the last index. So that's why from here, when we take the 3 jumps, jump of length 3 and move to last index, it means that I can reach to the last index, and that's why the output is true. So this is what we have to return. The return true if you can reach the last index, or false otherwise. In the second example is given for the false condition. So here we are given at index 0, which is 3. So if I take a jump of, say, let me again do this. So if 3 is given here, so I can take a jump maximum of like 1, 2, or 3. Maximum is 3. So if I move to 3, here it's given as 0. 0 means that there is no jump I can make from here. So it's like a dead end for me. If I reach here, then I have no way to reach to the last index of 4. Similarly, if I jump only like 1, so if I move to 2 here, so even from 2, I can jump to 1 to this point, or to this point. So here, if I move to this point also, it's again the dead end at 0. I cannot move to the 4th one. Similarly for 1 also, we can only jump till this 0 and that point, and cannot move to the 4th index, to the last one. And that's why the output is false. So as given in the explanation also, that you will always arrive at index 3. Index 3 is 0, no matter what, and its maximum jump length is 0, which makes it impossible to reach the last index. So guys, this was all about the problem statement. In the next video, we will solve this problem using bottom-up dynamic programming approach. So see you all in the next video.